What happens when you eat 2 boiled eggs a day? Have you ever wondered what would happen if you ate 2 boiled eggs every day? Eggs are a hot topic, sparking heated debates and conflicting opinions. In some cases, they're part of a hospital's dietary plan, while in others, they're blamed for all sorts of health issues. But what really happens to your body with this daily habit? Today, we're diving into the practical effects of eating 2 boiled eggs a day. Are they harmful or beneficial? Let's explore why eggs spark so much debate. On one hand, they're packed with nutrients, particularly vitamin B, which means eating just 2 eggs can fulfill your daily vitamin B needs. Eggs are nature's perfect package, containing everything necessary for the beginning of life. They're a complete source of nutrients, essential for growth and development. Despite these benefits, eggs often face criticism, mainly due to the fat content in the yolks. There's a common misconception that this fat increases bad cholesterol levels. However, recent studies have debunked this myth, showing that eggs can be part of a healthy diet without negatively impacting cholesterol levels. Many people who include 2 eggs in their daily diet have reported increased hemoglobin levels, highlighting the positive impact of eggs on our health. Now, let's talk about 9 amazing benefits you can enjoy by eating a couple of eggs for breakfast each day. First off, we're talking about boiled eggs. Why not other types? Raw eggs might contain harmful bacteria. Fried eggs, like all fried food, are not good for your stomach, heart, and blood vessels. Boiled eggs, on the other hand, are a safe and healthy option. 1. Skin and hair. Boiled eggs are fantastic for your skin and hair. Vitamin B12, also known as biotin, is often called the cosmetic vitamin because it strengthens both skin and hair. Regular consumption of eggs can help remove pigmentation spots and smooth out fine wrinkles, effectively slowing the aging process. 2. Cancer risk. Choline, vital for brain health, also lowers the risk of breast cancer. Research has shown that girls who ate 2 eggs daily in their teenage years were 18% less likely to suffer from breast cancer in adult life. 3. Cleanse the liver. Eggs can also serve to cleanse the body. Phospholipids in eggs actively remove toxic substances accumulating in the liver, helping to maintain its health and functionality. 4. Weight loss. Eggs can aid in weight loss. When combined with a balanced diet, eating a couple of eggs for breakfast can keep you satiated for longer periods, reducing the overall amount of food consumed and lowering the risk of diet-related breakdowns. 5. Calcium absorption. Eggs play a crucial role in calcium absorption, which is essential for strong bones and teeth. 1 egg contains as much vitamin D as a spoonful of fish oil. Without vitamin D, our bodies can't properly absorb calcium, leading to brittle bones. Plus, eggs taste much better than fish oil. 6. Heart health. Despite past concerns, recent studies show that eggs balance cholesterol levels, thanks to their phospholipids. Additionally, eggs are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce the risk of heart disease. 7. Brain protection. Eggs are rich in choline, a substance responsible for the development of brain cells and their communication through neural connections. Just 2 eggs a day can help prevent memory loss and protect brain function. 8. Vision. Eggs contain lutein, which is essential for maintaining sharp vision. Not having enough lutein can lead to eye issues, but including eggs in your diet can help keep your eyes healthy and your vision clear. 9. Fertility. Eggs are great for pregnant women because they're full of folic acid, which helps the baby develop properly. 2 eggs have all the folic acid a pregnant woman needs in a day, supporting healthy fetal development. Eggs are a valuable part of a healthy diet, rich in protein and nutrients. But like any food, it's best to eat them in moderation. Cook eggs properly to keep their benefits. The ideal number of eggs per day varies by person, but usually 1 or 2 eggs a day is recommended to balance your diet without too much cholesterol. So, how often do you eat eggs? How has it changed your health? So, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon.